Welcome to GIJO Gadgets Collection. Today we'll be unboxing a WLTOYS Sky King. It's F959 and it's running on 2S, a 3-channel with video control. Okay, looks good. That's the box. The manual book with all the diagram and the info that you needed to know. Here you are. The charger, the charger adapter, and this is a 2S port charger. This is the radio control. Oh, this is the radio control for you to put 6 AA battery. Let's try. See that? It's only recording. Here's the remote. Okay, this is the plane, the glider. We provide you a canopy where you can put your camera for FPV. This is the truss rod. And the wing. Okay, let's try to install it. Oops. Battery compartment. This is the battery. It's 2S battery, 7.4 volt, 300 mAh. Okay. Let's try bind and power up first, just to make sure it works. Okay. Oh, the cable is inside. Okay, let's try power up. There you are. You can see a red LED blinking. And we bind. Okay. Okay, it's fine. I think it's, there you are. So it's fine. As you can see, I throttle. The motor is turning. Okay. Okay, let's install the wing. Okay, this is a truss rod. And this is the right wing. We put the battery inside and can just close the canopy. Okay, looks good. We turn on. Wait for binding. Okay, now it's bind ready, and we throttle. Let me see again. Okay, we'll try for the maiden flight, and see you on my next video. See you on my next video. Thanks for watching.